To open a Webull account, start by visiting the Webull website or downloading the Webull mobile app from your device's app store. Once you are on the homepage or the app's main screen, look for the option to create an account. Click on the button that says Sign Up or Open an Account. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address or mobile phone number. Choose an email address or number that you use regularly, as you will need to verify it later. After entering your information, create a strong password, making sure it meets the security requirements listed. Then, click on the button to proceed to the next step. You will now need to fill out the application form with your personal information. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. I'll make sure to provide accurate information as this is important for account verification. Once you have filled in all the required fields, review your application for any mistakes and then submit it. After submitting the application, check your email or text messages for a verification code. Enter this code in the app or on the website to verify your account. Once verified, you can fund your account and start trading. Congratulations, your Webull account is now ready to use.